Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix CarPlay not working issue on iPhone iOS 17 and 16. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So how to fix this issue when CarPlay is not working on iPhone iOS 16 and 17? First solution you have, make sure you are using a compatible USB cable on your iPhone. Some users are using other lightning cables to connect CarPlay. This is likely to cause problem. You are recommended to use the original cable. You are also recommended to try another USB port on your car. Then the second solution you have, make sure that Siri is turned on. If Siri is off, you cannot use voice command anymore. So you have go to the setting and then you have tap on Siri and search. So then you have turn it on your iPhone. Then third solution you have, restart your iPhone and car. Restarting iPhone will solve many iOS glitches. You should also have a try under this situation. Also, if you cannot find CarPlay logo for your car's display, you should also restart your car. Then other solution you have, restart your iPhone. Then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, and then your mobile is restarted, then your problem will be fixed. And then you have reconnect and disconnect and reconnect your CarPlay. So then you have open the setting, click on general, click on CarPlay. So then you have waiting, and then you have using the CarPlay. So you have must be turn on your iPhone when you have CarPlay using. So you have turn on, must be turn on Bluetooth on your iPhone. Then your problem will be fixed and 100% working on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.